Hey everybody, Matt Bolin here. Hope you guys are all doing well. And as always, I appreciate you taking a minute to check out this video. Today I wanted to talk to you about Lead Generation Intensive GMB Edition. Now, this is a new step-by-step training system, was released just earlier today, and it shows you how to provide lead generation services through Google My Business listings. So this was released by Jim Mack and Michael Rayburn. Again, it's called Lead Generation Intensive GMB Edition. Was released earlier today at 11 o'clock Eastern Time, and it's priced at $27. Now, let's take a quick look here at the sales page. So if you click through, this is exactly what you're going to see here. And Jim, just take some time to explain a little bit more about this system, how he and Michael have put this together, explain how they have students that are using this exact system in their business right now and having success. He also talks to you a little bit more about why it's important for a local business to have a Google My Business listing. Not only have a listing, but have a properly optimized listing. Now, I've been offering Google My Business optimization and claiming services for years. I charge $150 just for the service, and then I also charge $47 a month ongoing to keep up with fresh posts and offers, which you can get into. There's really a lot more to just the basics when it comes to Google My Business listings. Most business owners don't want to take the time to look into it and really optimize what they have. They understand they need a presence there. It's much like a website, right? I mean, they can have a website, but just not have a good or an effective website. And the same definitely can be said for a Google My Business listing. Now, like I said, take a read through this page here. Jim answers maybe a lot of questions that you'll have. If you have other questions above and beyond this, definitely reach out and let me know. I'm definitely going to be easier to reach than Jim is, especially during the launch phase. He's going to have a lot of stuff going on. So take a read through. If you have any questions, let me know, but I think Jim does a pretty good job of answering most of them there. Now, I wanted to show you the sales page. I also wanted to talk about my bonus offer, but before I get to that, I wanted to cover the optional upgrade offers that you'll see. Okay, so the OTO or upgrade offers that you'll see here, the first one, if you purchase that main offer for $27, you're going to see an upgrade offer that includes a bundle of videos that we can use. They're different niches here. They're used for marketing and prospecting. Can also be sold directly to the businesses as well. And this first upgrade offer includes an in-depth 3-webinar sales training series. It's really going to help you kind of take your marketing to the next level and have a lot of success with this. So that's priced at $47. Now, this second upgrade offer is priced at $147, and this one here is a done-for-you service. So basically, it'll take everything that you're being taught here within the course, and they'll do it for you. So they'll rank the Google My Business listings, and they're going to generate the leads for you, so you literally don't have to do any of this yourself. Now, neither of these two are required in order for you to implement what you're being taught in the front end main offer, but they're definitely nice complements that you can use. Now, the pricing schedule. This is going to be launched at a price of $27. It's going to be available until Sunday, September 8th. So only about 4 or 5 days you're going to have access to this, and then it's going to increase. So over the course of the next 4 days, it's going to slightly tick up with every purchase. So it's called a dime sale. Every time a purchase is made, the price slightly goes up. So as usual, just be sure to check it out ASAP so you can get the lowest price possible. Now, before I get to my bonus, I just wanted to give you a quick look here inside the members area because Jim's taken a lot of time to go through and make some good in-depth videos. I just want to kind of show you the scope of what you're going to receive with the training here. First off, initially, the first section here is on introduction and mindset training, and he took some time to really make sure you have your mind right before you get into any of this. He also went through and showed you step-by-step how to set up a Google My Business page. A lot of good training there. Then he showed you really the 3-pack ranking foundation that you're going to need in order to actually get the business ranked there in the 3-pack. So you can see there's a lot of good training there, a lot of videos that you'll go through. That's probably where you'll spend the majority of your time going through the course. He's also showed you a great YouTube method here. It's really the secret sauce, he calls it, to first page and GMB rankings. There's a few videos on that method. Finding and contacting local businesses. This is also important, right? You're not just learning the strategy and how to provide this, you're learning how to go out, find them, contact them, and sell this service as well. So there's some really good tricks you can pick up in there. Pricing your services and outsourcing. This is always important. I've kind of told you what I charge for some of this. One thing that I've learned going through this course is that I'm not charging enough for my services, and I'm going to work on that moving forward to kind of increase those. But he gives you what you need here in terms of pricing information, shows you also how to outsource this. and not have to do much of the work yourself. And then the templates and resources, which Jim always includes, which are great. There's email and autoresponder templates, goal setting worksheets, lead tracking sheets, a good customer sheet, a client consultant contract that you can use. When you do sell this service, there's an example contract you can use. It's also a nice workflow sheet as well. So that's the members area there, what you're going to have access to as soon as you purchase. I just wanted to give you a good idea as to the depth of video content you're going to receive there. Okay, so now I wanted to take you through and just explain a little bit more about my bonus package that you're going to receive with this as well. So if you click the link down below this video or somewhere alongside this video, you're going to be taken to this page here. This is a page here on my blog. It's going to talk to you just a little bit more about Lead Generation Intensive GMB Edition. And it's also going to talk to you a little bit more about my bonus package here about halfway down the page. Now, you can check these out for yourself, but essentially this is a complete done for you Google My Business lead generation funnel. I've had this designed. I had actually had this done years ago for my own business. I've never sold it. I've never given it away other than I think 2 other times. This is the 3rd time now I've offered this as a bonus package to a Google My Business or Google Maps related product. So you can take a look through here, but 2 fully responsive lead capture landing pages, the first component here of the bonus package, and these you can easily open up, personalize with your own contact information. I've also included, of course, the giveaway guide that you can give away on these pages, but once you have access to this, you can edit this, you could do whatever you want to it, basically claim it as your own and use it really with your own business. Also 2 high quality lead gen flyers. Each of these here are meant to drive traffic to the landing page so that you can give away that guide and capture the contacts or capture the lead's contact info. These come in both 8.5 by 11, which are the standard US sizes, also A4, which are more UK friendly, and you do receive the PSD files for those as well. Some postcards. These I use in the same way I do the flyers, basically send traffic to the landing pages. These here come in 4x6 format. You also have the backs to these as well, the design for the backs. I don't picture them here, but I do include those as well. There's a nice video you can check out. This is a lead gen video. You can use it either on the lead gen page, you can use it on Facebook, any social media properties, use it on a blog, use it anywhere you'd like. But basically the call to action here is to get in touch with us so that we can help them claim their listing and lets the business owner know really how much they're missing out by not having a listing properly claimed there with Google My Business and Google Maps. And the last component here, of course, the guide that you give away. And this here is going to teach a business owner how to go through and claim their business listing. Of course, you and I both know, 95 to 99% of them aren't going to go through and do that themselves. So it's a good bonus package. Cost me almost $700 really to have the whole thing put together and created. And you can get it free. If you go through, like I say here, how to claim this bonus package, just make sure you click the red buttons here on my blog. It'll go ahead and take you to the sales page, which I've already shown you. And if you purchase, you'll receive a bonus voucher through Warrior Plus, and then you just send that bonus voucher over to me. If you have any questions, just reach out, let me know. I'll walk you through it, no worries. But yeah, it's a pretty good bonus package. Definitely adds a lot of value to a product that already has a lot of value. If you enjoy the content and you're watching this on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to be notified as soon as they're released, click the notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'll catch up soon. Take care.